In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a neon sign in Blender. So you want to make sure you add a text, go to the tab, edit mode, then you want to change the text to whatever you want it to be. For this instance, it's going to be Blender. Now once you're done with that, you can click tab again, then go to data, go to film mode, select none, go to geometry, and then change the depth to around 0.014. Then you want to go to rotate, make sure it's up around 90 degrees. Once you've done that, just move it so it's centered. After that, select a plane, then scale it up. Then select the letter, go to Material tab, select New. Go to Surface, and then add Emission. Select the color that you want. And then what you want to do is change the strength to around 4. Then go up to Render, change it to Cycles. Then after that you want to go into the World property, and then change the color to black. And now to change the font, link in the description down below to the font that I used. It's free to download. And there you go, that's how you make a text neon in Blender. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.